Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to warp an image in Photoshop step by step. Apply step 1, open your image, then double click the lock icon, unlock to this image, press Ctrl T on your keyboard, hold shift, then right click on your mouse, warp. Custom warp, arcs. Okay, and apply step 2. Go to file, place, hold shift, again press Ctrl T or go to edit tab, transform, warp. Apply the same process. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.